Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Chic Spaces. Today, we're nothing short of excitement to reveal this stunning 3 BHK which boasts of so many design elements that are cohesive and gel together with no hiccups. And this seamless integration was probably achieved by keeping a single color theory for the entire house, creating a harmonious and unified look throughout. I have Jalak with me to talk about her experience while designing this house.
As a designer, I was grasping the client's requirements, the overall theme that they wanted to have in their home, and it led to a very interactive design process. And I'm so happy to see what it has come out to be, and too happy with the process.
Thank you, Jalak. Can't deny more. Without wasting a second, let's dive into the video. Hope you have enjoyed the tour as much as we have enjoyed bringing it to life. There are quite a few elements in this house which are my favorites, but if it has to be one, it is the dining and the drawing room fall ceiling, which we have included veneers on the verticals. It adds natural beauty and elegance. Chalak, what is your favorite?
My favorite part would be the entrance niche, which gives a very welcoming softness to the home, and very delicate floral wallpapers have been used with spotlights onto it.
Great. What is your favorite? Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.
Thank you.